In this video, I will guide you how to write continuous numbers after 100 in MS Word in a few clicks. So for this, you need to click on the insert and go to the table and click on the insert table and put the number of columns to 5 and put the number of rows to 30 and click OK. Now select the entire table, go to the home and click on the numbering arrow and click the numbers you want to insert, and here you can see that the numbers are inserted from 1 to 150. But if you want to write continuous number after 100 instead of 1, so how you can do that? Right click and go to the set numbering value, and in the set value to you need to change to 100 and click OK. And here the magic is done. You can see that the numbers are now continuous from onward 100. So with this way you can easily insert continuous number after 100 in MS Word. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.